Good morning.
Yeah.
Today is the 26th of April.
I don't know if it's dry rags.
We are going salmon fishing today. If you cannot tell, it's raining a little bit. Everything's wet. Isn't that right, Nick?
Yes, it is very wet.
There's a few people out here. They're getting it. But we are gonna try and go for salmon today. Nick and Dad went yesterday. How many you get yesterday, Nick?
Uno dos.
Uno dos? Okay. Sounds interesting. Interesting count right there. All right.
Hey Nick,
Ah.
got a couple of more cows. You want them?
So we're gonna see if we can get lucky today. I guess a few people caught some right out here in front. So today I'll be running my favorite blue flasher with, I don't know exactly what skirt this is. We always either call them triple glow or banana because it's kind of like a yellow banana-ish. And then we got green flasher,
Yeah.
green skirt,
Uh-huh.
a little bit of glow in there. Try that. You use some cable baiters, but that's really about it. High hopes. They're getting them yesterday, so we'll see. Catch you out there.
The guy looking for the flip. Is that what he said? Make sure that's a good rod. Remember, you're only fishing 2 on one side and 1 on the other, right?
No, you're right. Yeah. We only did. Damn. You got my weight for it? Or not? Damn, you're good. You know that? Hi, Dad?
No, just one. Because it's shallow in here. Oh yeah, if you want to put it on. But don't put such a big one on. Bill, put a smaller one. Yeah. Oh, you went to the Old Faithful? Remember, it's only 131 feet in here so far.
Okay, pass me. Do I have a clip? Pass me a clip here.
It should be underneath the seat. Ain't they, Nick?
Yeah.
What's going on here? Daniel, are you running 2 poles? Am I running?
You are.
No, you are.
You don't want to, Nick? Go. bait in here. 75 feet, Nick. 75 to 50. How's the trolling speed? Pretty good, huh? What are you putting on that one, bait? You got it already? I gotta stay on this steering wheel.
Yeah.
What?
No cussing.
Oh, I'm sorry. Blank that out.
How far did you go, boy?
140 feet. As we go on,
Huh?
Nathaniel.
The bottom one.
Yeah, right around there.
I'll go further. I'm listening.
It's 140 feet, but as I go on, it gets deeper and deeper.
Alright.
We were getting them at 140 and 160 on it.
Nick's got his
Nick.
first fish
Nick, nice?
Yeah, nice.
on his brand new reel and rod. Alright, let's get all set up here.
Drag loose. Nick, can you step back just a little bit? I
Well, I think I'm coming up with you.
Up, boy, up.
Yeah, boys. With this extra long pole, I basically threw him in the net.
Yeah, good job, boy. First one.
Come on.
Alright, let's get the bat. Here, hold it, Nick.
I didn't get on.
Yeah, he hit that
Hey, how
sucker.
good is he hook?
He's hooked pretty good.
Is he?
Here, let's see if I can throw him at the net.
I don't think so.
Nah, he ain't getting out of there. Here, hit him. Right here, give me the bat.
Green. That was a green one, Nathaniel.
Hit him a couple good times.
Get it.
Keep an eye on that.
Yeah, that should be good, boy. Good job, boys. First fish.
Come on, wash the net. Wash the net. Put it back. Good job, you guys.
Take very long. I'm shaking.
Hey, I gave you guys a bad sickness. You know that, right? Come on.
Okay, fish on, boys. Yep.
Oh, maybe back up, eh?
Hang on, let me get him to the boat. Oh, yeah, I'm hung up on that rudder. No, I'm not. Go get the net, huh? Nick, go get the net. Come on, Nick.
Come on, Nathaniel. Bring these fish now. They're not big because we will hide it. Come on, take the boat up. Nick, you got that fish? Come on, Nathaniel. Reel, man.
Really?
Got him on the turn. Reel, man.
I'm going, yeah.
Is it really net?
Oh,
Nathaniel, back up. Nathaniel, back up.
I know, I got it.
Remember, keeping them on.
I know.
Reel, Nathaniel, back up, Nathaniel.
I'm going. Don't worry.
No,
around.
stay there. Stay
Yes,
there.
I know.
I'm turning the boat. Crazy fish. Bring the fish on this side. Yeah, keep reeling, keep going, just like that. Fast. Keep back up. Reel, right to Nick, Reel, Nathaniel.
I'm going.
Faster. Now you got the drag too in a second.
No, it's not.
Get over here, Nick. Reel, Nathaniel. Pick him up. Now faster. Right to Nick. Now pick a pull up, Nicholas.
Nick, what the?
Nicholas! Nick, you're killing me, dude.
Nice.
scared me, Nick.
Nicholas, how did you miss? Yeah, you got him. You got him.
Yeah,
Give
let
it
me
in the pen, bro.
Whatever it is. Oh, wait.
Did?
Yeah, that's started leaking.
Hey, yo.
Fuck, boys, I think I might have lost him.
No.
Unless he's swimming with the boat. Unless he's swimming with the boat. Cause I'm like, I'm coming in.
Is that a flasher or a bait?
He's gonna know if it's wrong.
No, he's not.
He's right here. Ah, no.
Nick,
No,
Nick.
it's small.
That little guy, boys. He's legal. You ain't gotta worry about that guy.
It's slow.
You should already have the net, Nicholas.
He's a little guy.
He's a little guy. I knew that.
We should throw him back.
Okay, now you're fucking crazy. You know, I agree with you.
Alright, Nick's losing this battle. My blue flasher with the old banana. 2 fish. Nick's green little flasher with his green little skirt. 1 fish.
What do you mean little?
What do you mean little? He's an average size, alright?
Oh, Adrian.
There's the average.
That was Adrian, right?
Yeah, that was
definitely Adrian.
Oh, brother
Down
Adrian.
on mine.
He's over there.
He's over there not catching fish. That's what he's doing.
Brother Adrian, when you watch this video, remember I did not say that.
I do not see my camera like that.
So for those of you wondering how we do this, we have our flasher with our skirt out there. I like to go, you got to remember, the further it is back there, the more the flasher will work side to side. So I like to put mine just a bit further behind Nick's, because that way when I come up and I go down, it'll be less of a chance of getting hung up with Nick's, because he likes to run his a bit closer. I know that sounds counterintuitive because I just said it moves back and forth more, but the distance between it is a bit further so that they don't collide to one another. Oop. Now we have our downrigger ball that goes down to our desired depth. Clip right here holds the line as a release. When the fish pulls hard enough, it'll pull out. Sometimes though, the fish will sit on there and bounce around and we have to unclip it. Now put this on free spool, put that down, pull this little lever, and now you go down. Your downrigger will read you the depth, and you just go down nice and easy. If you go too fast, sometimes your flasher will get caught up in your downrigger cable or your other lines. On this one, we always run my side deeper than Nick's, so I'll go down to 155 right now because that's where we're catching our fish. Nick's about 145 or 140. There you go. Now when you set this rod, make sure my drag's set. When you set this rod, you want this line to be tight, but not tight so much that if a wave comes, it'll pop the clip. Because when the fish hits it and it's tight, it's easier to see the tip of the rod bounce. And I like to keep my drag loose enough so that if a fish hits it, he can take line if he needs to, and then when I grab it, I'll be able to tighten my drag from there. Insurance cable, or insurance rope, just in case this plastic rod holder breaks. Still got the rod. And today, since there's 3 of us, we run 3 rods, 1 for each of us. Yeah, Nick cleaning fish.
Good morning, everybody. We're at a Moss Landing in the 2026 salmon season. So far, we have 3 in the box. It's around maybe 7:30, and we're still trawling at the moment. We've been catching most of our fishes on hoochies, not straight bait, with either blue or I think green flasher. So that's what we've been catching almost all of our fish on so far. It's a little rough, nothing too bad, but we're gonna keep trolling, see if we get at it. All we need is 3 more to finish today, so we'll see you guys out there.
Like you should know if the fish is on me. You know, put it back in the pack. It ain't on there. No. It ain't on there.
Damn, Nick lost them. You heard that right here, folks. Nick lost them.
Look at right here on the number. Look, you guys, right here, dude. Get it back down.
Oh no, we suck again.
He hit it so hard he bounced it. I don't know how he didn't get stuck.
Yeah, pop the clip and everything.
Damn, dude.
Nick just ain't fast enough.
But normally they should stick themselves though. Normally it should have been on, you know what I mean? But hey, it happened.
Oh.
I almost dropped my egg on the foot.
I almost dropped the egg on the foot. Oh, there goes the egg.